Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what is the AlphaInfuse Micro-Infusion hair regrowth system is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official website, the AlphaInfuse Micro-Infusion hair regrowth system is a hair care system designed for men experiencing thinning hair, receding hairlines, or basically bald spots. The website says it combines some micro infusion device with a hair serum to help device or deliver the formula directly to the scalp using ultra fine needles. According to the website, the system contains ingredients such as Eclipta prostrata extract, and as you can see, many other ingredients here with a short explanation of what it does. The website also states that the system is suitable for all hair type and it is basically designed for painless, quick to use, and non-invasive according to the company. Each package includes the micro-infusion device along with multiple hair serum cartridge depending on the package that you choose. And to use this system, according to the official website, you'll have to start with a clean, dry hair, then fill or attach the serum as instructed, then gently stomp the microinfusion device over the thinning areas of your scalp. The website says that the application takes less than a minute and recommended using the system once a week. After the application, you would like avoid washing your hair or applying other hair products for at least 1 hour to allow the serum to absorb as the website says. And you will be able to start seeing the results as it says here on the website within 3 to 5 weeks and the fuller hair in 12 to 16 weeks. So you'll see here the example. If you would like to purchase the product as it says in here, you can go to the bottom of the page and here you have multiple options. 1 month supply, 2 month supply, or 4 month supply. It comes with infusion system and serums, depending on the package that you are going to choose. Choose the package that you want and click on add to carts. You can click on secure checkout and you will be taken here where you will have to fill out your information and choose the payments option that you like, then pay for your package. So complete your order by following the on-screen instructions. And if you have any questions before purchasing, you can also review the bottom of the page as example, and you'll find here contact us option where you will find all their information to contact them if you want through email, through phone, and also through chats within 24 hours if you want as example to contact them. They do have some specific amount of time if you want live chats instead. Other than that, here at the bottom as well, you'll find how to use key ingredients, what does it include, so everything that you want. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next videos.